To paint fur for export to Unreal Engine, there are a few steps you'll need to follow. First, create an Edit Guides modifier right on top of your HairFromGuides and select it. Next, grab the painting tool. In the tool settings, it's essential to enable the option Create Channel if one doesn't exist. Don't change anything else here except for the name. You need to enter the specific channel name, type in groom_color and hit Enter. Now, pick any color you like. Let's go with red or yellow, and just start painting directly on the fur surface. After your first stroke, that groom_color channel will be automatically created within Edit Guides. You can also project any textures onto the fur, whether they're from the Ornatrix library or your own custom files. For this example, I'll use the E5 logo. You can use the D key to move the texture around the screen, G to scale it, and A to rotate it. If you don't want the texture to repeat, just turn off the tiled texture option. I recommend placing the texture while in the top view. Once you start painting, the texture will be projected onto the surface, which looks great. You can even use full body textures for hair or fur and project them onto specific areas like the sides. For example, I want to project this texture onto the sides. Adjust it and paint. Exporting everything to Unreal Engine is very straightforward. Select the very top modifier in your stack. Go to File, select Export Selection, and choose Ornatrix Alembic. Crucially, make sure you activate the Unreal Engine Export option. Click Export Selection, name your file, and that's it. Guys, if you're looking for cool references for 3D hairstyles, I recommend checking out 3DSK. The site has two categories: Groom 3D scans and Groom photos. There aren't many scans yet, but there are enough hair photos to start working on a hairstyle for your character.